spacious 4-bedroom designer residence with spectacular northerly aspect. Hi, my name's David Smearley, proudly representing Pello, and I cannot wait to show you this incredible home. As you enter this home, you are greeted with a beautiful light-filled foyer, high ceilings, as well as a wonderful sense of space and privacy. No expense has been spared in this modern home and is a rare find in today's market. The kitchen has been thoughtfully designed with large granite island benchtop with bar seating, induction cooktop, loads of storage, and those who entertain will love the facility of the butler's pantry, including an extra dishwasher and zip tap. The floor plan features versatile layout, ideal for families and downsizers alike, with a large open plan living area that flows effortlessly onto the outdoor entertaining area. The upstairs lounge area also features a built-in fireplace. This incredible home features 4 generous-sized bedrooms, all with built-in wardrobes, 2 of them with their own private ensuite bathrooms. The main bedroom is an incredible parents' retreat, featuring a luxurious bathroom, separate bath shower, oversized dressing room and a designated study area. It also features its own private balcony taking in views over Primrose Park. The floor plan has been thoughtfully designed, providing multiple living spaces, internal access from the garage, as well as a designated cellar and secure storage room. The lower floor opens to a private courtyard with its own direct access to the waterfront reserve. Bathrooms have been immaculately finished with an abundance of storage and space. Other features include reverse cycle air conditioning throughout, secure lock-up garage with plenty of space for storage and bikes, security intercom, district views, positioned on a quiet, leafy street with easy access to shops, cafes, restaurants, as well as a simple commute to Sydney CBD. This low-maintenance home is ideal for those who are looking for house-like proportions without the upkeep. Having walked you through this home, I know that this is a property that's not going to last long. So if you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to reach out, and I look forward to seeing you at our next inspection.